Cute.
Ready siya, Jose! Try by Joyce! Lolo kahapon!
Hey guys, so we're here today at Strides by Joed's. It's actually another branch of Joed's Lutong Hapon. So if you're a fan or if you love eating at Joed's near Sarosa, they actually have a new branch here in Marigondon. When you happen to be in the area, so it's really near Plantation, or if you're heading Uncle Mike's crib, it's just near the entrance to Uncle Mike's. So this is their area. It's actually big. Right. So we have the place all to ourselves right now. So there are aquariums there. Right. And they also have a stage. I'm not really sure what the events are, but let's try to ask the people here. So we already ordered. I actually ordered my favorites at Joed's Lutong Hapon because they have it here. They have everything here. They have ramens, everything that you can buy in Joed's, you can also buy here at Strides. Right? So I'm with DJ Jackie.
Hello guys!
So,
we're here!
Nangaligo mi sa Uncle Mike's and we just noticed that there's a new spot here, so we're really curious. So we're here right now and so we'll give a review later on silang food. So watch out for that, guys. So they actually have a VIP room, so you just need to add 20% more of the total of your order. So if you want to be separate from the crowd here and there, then you can have this VIP room. Request lang mo, guys. So cute.
Okay.
So, nag-travel mi og almost 1 hour plus jud. 1 hour plus jud. And nakaligo mi og 30 minutes lang. So, gi-treat na ko si DJ Jackie kay ura-urada man siya pwede dalon laag. So, first time?
First time na ko gamit ani. Actually, nagkaon ako mga Japanese restaurant.
I'm challenging
pero
him
dili kay
to
ko mo use og mga chopsticks.
Use chopsticks.
Oo. Wala mo ko rin chowking.
Mga unta.
So, naki-question nga nung inanaon. Diba? Bon
Para
kay na
naman sa mga
mga
wala.
gwapa.
Mga di fine pag sa kuan ba?
So guys, mao na ni Margrette.
Yay! Joed special.
Isa natin?
Joed special.
Joyce.
Joed special maki.
Guys, mga unta. Oy, Japanese si Ma'am Kuan. Ate Jan, Japanese man na ni oy. Hengki na oy. Hengki na oy.
Gulolis mo sila.
So nakatawid ko, guys. So nibe sagbot lagi ni. Sagbot lagi ni. Ate Jen, sagbot lagi ni. Awa ko sagbot. Guys,
Check out na po.
sagbot.
na mango, na ay sauce, and there's I think fish inside with nori and rice.
Ano sa'yo nga na ni?
Joed special maki.
So, maki guys.
Mga unta.
Si Ate Jen kay Japan niya siya. Kumusta? Mangaon ka, maayo gud nimo mukupot og lag.
May sauce oh. Lamin yan eh. Ay, sobrang. Miss, mag-take out po po. Joed special lang. O Ebi. Thank you. Kaya kung ba na maluod niya.
So guys, ako nang gitusok no. Ganahan ko ganan. Namos Joed say sir, panagdait mo. Kaapatong din si Ma'am.
Marigondon! Di ako to, bitaw ka ma'am. Mali na ma'am.
What me?
Mabuhay!
Welcome aboard. Guys, dili man sudan ni.
Oo no? Nagkakagalo man ka. Dito gin may mag-date sa kumbana sa una after shift. Joed.
Wow. Mura lagi ni kanang kuan bis kanang mga
Dini fish in bro, watermelon.
watermelon siya guys, mango, tapos yeah. Hirashai mes. Kung saan na ba siya? Kalaisyo tabang mananabang.
Yay!
Kung saan na?
Kasoko ramen.
Kasoko ramen guys. Kasi ipakita sa
Kasoko
video.
ramen.
So guys, here's Kasoko ramen.